Welcome YouTubers to Maximo Unlimited. Imagine, for a moment, the intricate dance of nature and human innovation. The beauty of our planet, with its majestic mountains, vast oceans and fiery volcanoes, coexisting with the marvel of human flight. But what happens when these two forces collide? Welcome to our exploration of the hidden connections between natural disasters and aviation. Using the recent volcanic eruption on Iceland's Reykjanes Peninsula as our case study, we'll delve into how the unseen threats of volcanic ash can disrupt global air travel, affect economies and change the course of human lives. From the immediate aftermath to the long-term implications, we'll journey through the effects of natural disasters on the aviation industry. So, get ready and join us as we take off into this intriguing exploration. And as always, remember to hit the like button, share our content, subscribe, and always click on the bell to stay up to date with Maximo Unlimited. Have you ever wondered how a volcanic eruption thousands of miles away could potentially ground your flight? Picture this. A quiet night on Iceland's Reykjanes Peninsula is dramatically disrupted by the rumble and flare of a volcanic eruption. This isn't just a local concern, oh no, it's a global one. The fiery spectacle, while mesmerizing, brings with it an unseen threat to aviation. How, you ask? Volcanic ash can wreak havoc on aircraft engines, posing a significant risk to planes in flight. This recent eruption, while not immediately disrupting air travel, underscores the unpredictable nature of such events. From the evacuation of thousands of residents to the closure of popular tourist attractions, the ripples are felt far and wide. While the immediate effects are local, the potential for disruption in air travel is global. To understand the magnitude of the threat, let's revisit the 2010 geological eruption. This volcanic event in Iceland had a ripple effect that echoed far beyond its borders. Thousands of flights across Europe were grounded, trapping millions of passengers in a standstill that lasted for days. It was a clear example of how the wrath of nature can reach even the skies. The event highlighted the need for resilience measures in aviation, reminding us that planning for the unexpected is a crucial part of the industry. That event taught us the hard way that even the skies aren't immune to the wrath of nature. You might be wondering, how did the recent eruption affect flights and tourism? In the immediate aftermath of the eruption, roads were closed and there was a potential for pollution to reach the capital. However, authorities swiftly implemented measures to manage the situation. The nearby Keflavik International Airport remained open, continuing to facilitate air travel despite the proximity of the eruption. This swift response highlights the resilience and preparedness of the aviation industry. Despite the dangerous dance of nature, the aviation industry has proven resilient, keeping the skies safe for travel. So, what does the future hold for aviation amidst such unpredictable natural disasters? As we navigate the turbulent skies of Mother Nature's unpredictability, the aviation industry must adapt. The need for more resilient measures is clear, from improved forecasting methods that can anticipate volcanic eruptions to contingency planning that ensures minimal disruption to flights. But the responsibility doesn't end there. As travelers, we too have a role to play. It's about being prepared, having the right travel insurance and staying updated with travel advisories. In an ever-changing world, the need for adaptability and resilience in aviation has never been greater. If you like this video, please view our other video about life being disrupted by volcanoes. This is Maximo Unlimited, signing off.